Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download TP-Link Tapo app to set up smart plugs and bulbs, full guide step by step clearly. To download the TP-Link Tapo app, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you are using an iPhone. Search for TP-Link Tapo in the App Store's search bar. Once you find the app, tap on the download button to start the installation. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Open the Tapo app once it is installed. If you are using an Android device, unlock your phone. Open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type TP-Link Tapo and hit search. Locate the app in the search results. Tap the install button to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, open the Tapo app. You will first need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After logging in, you can begin to set up your smart plugs and bulbs. Make sure your smart devices are powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. In the app, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select your smart plug or bulb from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to connect your device to your Wi-Fi. Once connected, you can customize the settings and start using your smart devices. Enjoy the convenience of controlling your smart plugs and bulbs through the Tapo app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.